Question 11. Solve for m where the curve y equals x squared minus ms plus 4 is never negative. Is never negative means y is always bigger than or equal to 0. Right? And this is a quadratic curve with the s square, coefficient s square equals to 1. This is a U-shaped curve. So this is a case. So if that is the case, if never negative will mean either this or this, right? Two cases. Either you touch the x-axis where this equals 0, or this is bigger than 0. So non-negative simply means can be 0, is positive, or 0, because 0 is actually non-negative. Right? So it can be 0 or it is bigger than 0. So there are two cases here. When you have this, your discriminant is equal 0. When you have this, your discriminant is less than 0. So combining them, I will have this conclusion: the discriminant must be less than or equal to 0. Right? So for the curve to be non-negative, discriminant of the equation x squared minus ms plus 4 equals to 0 must be less than or equal to 0. Alright, that is a conclusion that we have. So discriminant less than equal to 0 means that minus m squared minus 4, 1, 4. So this is m is b, minus m is a b, a is 1, and your c is 4. So m squared minus 16 less than equal to 0. So you get a quadratic inequality. And to do this, you have to factorize it. m minus 4 less than equal to 0. So this to solve this, you need to find the roots. Negative 4, 4. Right? Note that this curve is different from this. This is the curve for the quadratic inequality. So this is 4. Less than equal to 0, so m must be in between negative 4 and 4. So that is the answer. So when the question says solve for m, it means to find the range of values of m. Because here m is not a specific value, it's a range of values. So the answer is in the inequality form.